Unicraftrs, because I know we're still at home. Here's a fun project you can do. Because this weekend I just watched Trolls 2. I decided to make a microphone. Because Trolls 2 is all about singing and dancing. So let's get right to it. The things you will need are a hot glue gun, a cup, duct tape, or any tape, a tennis ball or a wiffle ball, scissors, a Sharpie if you're using a tennis ball, and 3 popsicle sticks. So you're going to start by taking your cup, your tennis ball, and your scissors. First, you're going to measure your ball onto your cup to see where you need to cut. You'll take your Sharpie and measure it. Just go all around it. Looks like mine's about right around here. When you're done that, you're going to cut that end. It might take a little bit longer than you would think. If you cut out the edges of where you did it, that's okay. You can just glue them back when you're done. When you're done cutting it out and you have a ball that you want to paint black or a tennis ball, take your black Sharpie, or if you're using black paint, and color. This is going to take a while. The next step is to take your glue and put it around your cup so that way your ball will stay in there. You're going to have to let it warm up. At home, I've been doing tons of Mom and Dad's school. At Dad's school, we learn about a sports player every day from this book, and then we write notes about it and draw a picture, and then we put it in our binders. In Mom's school, we do lots of math pages and language arts and all that stuff. But we still always have plenty of time to do Unicraftrs at night. Tonight, we're supposed to play Ticket to Ride, but instead, we did Unicraftrs. So I think now the glue is all warmed up. You might want to use hot glue because it really works well when you put it around, but also it dries up fast. But you can use any other glue that might stick when you put it around the thing. You're going to take your ball and just place it down. Here's what it should look like. When you're done that, you're going to take your popsicle sticks and duct tape. You're going to lay your popsicle sticks out and then one right in the middle to hold it in place. Next, you're going to take the tape and wrap it around. You want to get it as tight as possible. Then you're just going to squeeze it, squeeze it, squeeze it so it sticks. Instead of glue, you might want to use tape to secure it on the side. This is what the finished product should look like. It might look weird, but it's fun to play with.
On WNBC News, today there was a tornado watch and maybe even a flood watch. I hope you enjoyed the news today on WNBC News. Boy.
Unicraftrs would like to thank our sponsor, Delaney Plaza. Show yourself! Turn the power. Grow yourself. You're the one I've been waiting for all of my life. Oh, show